The drill chuck adjusts open and close to securely hold a drill bit, allowing you to use a variety of different sizes. There are 3 jaws on the chuck that clamp against the drill bit. After years of hard use, these jaws will wear and your drill bit might begin to slip in the chuck. When this happens, it's time to replace the chuck. Replacing the drill chuck is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
The chuck is secured to the drill with a reverse threaded screw. To remove the screw, I'll first turn the gearbox to the low setting. Now I can remove the screw from the chuck. The chuck screw on this drill uses a hex type screw, so I'll use a hex wrench to remove it. Remember that the screw is a reverse thread. The chuck just simply slides onto the drill spindle. Over years, rust or other corrosion might develop that can make the chuck a little difficult to remove. So I'll use a cold chisel to tap the chuck off of the shaft. I'll use a rag to clean up the shaft a bit before I install the new chuck. Now I can install the new chuck. I'll make sure I line up this slot with the ears on the drill shaft. With the chuck in place, now I can re-secure it with the screw. And that's how easy it is to replace the chuck on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.